Welcome friends. Here in this lecture we're going to learn about the pipeline. We're learning AWS Developer tools, and now we're going to learn about the pipeline which could be used on DevOps or software development lifecycle. It is a service among different developer tools on Amazon Cloud, be it Cloud9, Code Build, Code Commit, Code Deploy, Code Star. With CodePipeline, you can automate continuous delivery pipelines for fast and reliable updates. It is a fully managed continuous delivery service that helps you automate your release pipeline for fast and reliable applications and different updates. It automates the build, test, and deploy phases of your release process every time there is a code change based on the release model you define. This enables you to rapidly and reliably deliver features and updates. You can easily integrate with AWS pipeline. The third-party services like GitHub and different plugins, you need to only pay for whatever you use. CodePipeline is a complete delivery cycle. Here we may have release step on infrastructure, the application stage. We may have a source, a build and deploy phases using different services. In the source phase, we may have code commit. With the build phase, we may have system manager automation or code build. In the development deployment phase, we may have cloud formation or code deploy. The code pipeline defines what steps we are going to perform on a development cycle. We can integrate these services together using the code pipeline. There are huge benefits of using code pipeline, be it a rapid delivery, where we can quickly iterate the feedback and get new features to your users faster. You can automate your build, test, and release process in a fixed manner, in a built-in fix or in a catchy bug manner. You can stage and release process quickly. We can we can get started with faster manner with code pipeline. You can begin with the default configurations immediately by choosing a model, your software release process. There are no servers to provision or set up, so you don't need to worry if you are a newbie. It is a fully managed continuous delivery service that connects your existing tools and systems. You have a configurable workflow. It allows you to model the different stages of your software release process using console interfaces like CLI, Cloud Formation, or AWS SDKs that you could easily integrate with different services as well. You can easily specify the test and run customized setups to deploy your applications. It is easy to integrate with different third-party tools and different on-premise tools like Jenkins, build servers, and different things like that. How it works? The code pipeline, we have to define the source, a build, the test, staging, and production environments, and we have to arrange these things in a sequential manner at what comes next after that what. It works upon various environment, various scenarios where we may have different models for development environments. We may have source build staging or manual approval stages, be it customers or developers. We can have changes, updates, fix the idea request, and bugs. We may have, there are different startups that are using code pipeline like 3M, Science Applied to Life. That are benefited using the DevOps culture by code pipeline to manage the continuous integration and continuous delivery deployment in a workflow environment. The code pipeline uses the stages and integrations where we may have a code commit or built-in test, acceptance, or load testing using Jenkins and different tools like that. There are different use cases that may work simultaneously with Lambda, the cloud formation, the code build, and different services like that. It automates entire development operations or software development lifecycle. It is simple to create a pipeline. We may define a service role and hit the next steps. We can define the source, build, the beta, and review stages. This is the way how it looks actually. We have to define a stage like source. We may have commit stage, having multiple commits, the build, a unit test, static analysis, and different. We may have a configure stage where we can launch an environment. We can add more stage, delete a certain stage, edit any stage at moment of time. We may simply modify different things where we may have a source actions, the build actions, the deploy actions, and different things like that. We may add different services together and different instances on Amazon Cloud. We may have different possible source codes with code commit at GitHub or S3, which may be integrated in the build or deploy model, which is being governed by the code pipeline. So here it is. We may have a scenario with the code deploy. Then we can work upon various use cases with Kubernetes, ECR, AWS Lambda, and other non-code developer services as well. There is another use case where a customer deploys a change, uh, where developer commits a change, a job agent pulls for the job, return jobs are details, where acknowledgement is done to the code pipeline from the custom job worker, build process is executed, and the send jobs is being done for the customer. Different use cases could be there. The commit stage, the test stage, the production stage, all are governed with the code pipeline. We may have different security groups, validation, stack cloud formation, and different tool sets. There could be different pipelines. We can arrange different services in a different order to create different pipelines. We may have serverless architecture with Lambda that we could use with the code pipeline as well. We may have API, the Git API, the API gateway, and different tools. So this was about code pipeline. Give it a trial if you're in a testing job or things like that. You may be good enough working on various environments and would be fascinated by working with a code pipeline. Yeah, you should give it a trial and let it be more operational. Uh, keep learning and keep moving ahead.